Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word halt. It might seem simple, but by the end of this video you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is halt. Let's break it down. First we have H-A-W-L, which rhymes with ball and call. Then comes T, which is a clear, soft T sound, like in time. Now let's put it all together. Halt. Try repeating after me. Halt. Now a little faster. Halt. And at full speed, halt. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Halt means to stop or bring something to a stop, often suddenly or unexpectedly. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce halt and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.